Hello, summer camp students. I'm Ms. Mars, and today we will create an abstract composition called Poppies. The poppy is an iconic symbol of honor for the sacrifice of our veterans during the First World War. The poppy is also a good luck flower for the zodiac sign, Cancer. And yes, we are in the month of Cancer, which ends July 22nd. So this is a special flower for all of you Cancers today. And the materials needed for this lesson are one large sheet of green construction paper, one sheet of red construction paper, one black magic marker, a pair of scissors, and a glue stick. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your red sheet of paper and a black magic marker, and you're going to pretty much freehand what looks like circles, but these will be the poppies. So the poppy is a red flower, and it's really unique and pretty. So all we're going to do is freehand draw some circles like so. We're going to make a black circle in the center, and then these little spores, I would call, and we're going to put on each end of them a little black bulb like so. Now you're going to create these. You're going to make some large, you're going to make some small, but pretty much fill up your red sheet, because in the end we're going to cut them all out. So again, I'm going to make my spores, going to make them long, going to make them small. I'm going to put these little things, tips. Make a small one. And you're going to do this until you fill up your page. Again, create different sizes, make some small, make some large, make some medium. And we're going to pause the tape at this point, and I'm going to allow you some time to finish your poppies. Okay, so now I freehand drew all of my poppy flowers. As you can see, they're just a very basic shape. They're just circles. I create a large dot in the center, and then I just create some spikes, some like spores off the sides, and I top them off with little buds, these little circular little buds. Okay, so at this point, what you're going to do is you're going to cut all your poppies out. And you don't have to make sure you're right up on the black. That's fine if you go a little far off the black. That's just fine. And so I'm going to cut one out for you, just to give you a view of what it would look like. And so you see I did not cut off the black or around the black, but if that's what you choose to do so, this is your creation. That's all up to you. Okay, so at this point, you're going to cut all your poppies out, and then we will return. Okay, so I have all of my poppies cut out. I'm going to just put them to the side for right now. Take my large green sheet of construction paper, and I'm going to start to draw all the stems freehand. So you can either follow me, or you can choose your own layout of how you would like your flowers to be. It's fine. I'm just going to draw and show you exactly what we will be doing to finish our composition. Okay, so I'm going to start in the corner here, and I'm just going to have one stem come over like so. I'm also going to take my pencil, and I'm going to just kind of draw these like little spikes, like hair-like things, just like that. I'm also going to come over in the base of my page, Make a line coming up, maybe kind of meeting that, and then a line crossing over like so. Again, making those spikes. This is a very abstract drawing, so of course it doesn't resemble an actual real life flower because the stems are black and the way we're designing it. Okay, so I have about 10 poppies, so I'm going to make about 10 stems. And again, you're going to design them in the way that you would like to see them. Go. I'm going to have some come over here. Maybe I'll start from there. Make my spikes. You kind of just want them to fill up the page. So you want your stems to be a little all over the place. And wherever they end is where we're going to stick our flowers at the end. Where should I place one? Oh, right here looks good. So I'll come up and do one here. Awesome. And let's do one more. Let's come here. Do some more crossing over. Nice. Okay, so just like you see in the first drawing that I made, you have these here, what I would call they were about to bud, so they're budding poppies. So we're going to try and implement some of those, just try to draw some in and fill some in into our negative spaces here. So I'm going to come here like maybe so, hook it down, just like that, cup it, and then color that in solid black. Okay. And again, let's find another space. How about here? And we'll do one more on this side. So I'm going to come up here. That's good. Just like that. And color that in. And there we have it. Okay. So now we're going to take our poppy. We're going to fold it to give it that two-dimensional look. Fold it in half. Fold it in half again. And then fold it in half one more time. So this is what it should look like a tiny slice of pizza. Then you're going to open it up. Take your glue stick, find an end to a stem, and just in the center, you're going to push down so that it has this raised look to it, like this two-dimensional look to it. just like that. Again, you're going to fold in half again, fold in half again. And you can keep doing that if you like to give it that more two-dimensional look. And it gives it more ripples. And I just kind of like to cup it a little bit like this, if you can see. And find an end. And just in the center, push it in, just like that. We're going to keep going. So you're just going to keep repeating this pattern of folding, gluing, and placing until you're done. I open it, and I'm going to find somewhere to place it. Actually, I'll place it right there. Now I have some small ones, and what I like to do with these is I would like to just place them nice and flat. Now all of them do not have to be opened, and all of them do not have to be kind of two-dimensional and closed. Some of them can be actually very flat to the composition. So have fun with it. Again, I'm going to fold. And with this one, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to keep folding, folding, and I'm just going to open it up a little bit. Almost like it's almost kind of closed a little, like this. And I'm going to just put it up like on its side. Like that. It really looks wonderful. One thing I like about this composition is the color choice. The red and green are opposites on the color wheel, and they complement each other very, very well. And I love to see the contrast between the green and the reds. It looks really vibrant and beautiful. Again, I have a small one, so I'm just going to place it flat like that. Opening it up again. And one more time. And our last one. Well, not really. We have one more. And I'm going to stick that one on kind of like halfway up like that. And our last one. Here we go. And we are done. Hope you guys have fun with this. Again, it's a beautiful flower. And good luck to all of you Cancers out there born in this month. Happy birthday to all of you. And I hope you enjoy. Bye.